Hey friends, so today we're doing the spa themed gift basket. Now ultimately we're doing multiple projects in separate videos, building up to putting together all the items into a gift basket, which will be in its own video in itself. So make sure that you click subscribe so you can follow along. Okay, so today I'm going to be making this tumbler with a little adhesive vinyl saying on it. And I have this really awesome vinyl that's true brushed. It's different colors. I thought, what's gonna pop on this? I wanted to do white, but then I'm like, you know what? I wanna do something different. So I'm actually gonna do the copper brushed on top of this nice magenta. I think it'll really pop and look nice. I just want to show you that it's premium vinyl true brushed, and this particular sampler has 3 different colors on it. It's got like a metallic, a black, and then that coppery color that I'm going to use today. This cutter is so handy. So like the way I have it laid right now, I know that if I slice it, it's going to be at 3 inches, but I want to make it bigger, so it's bigger than my image going on. All right, throw it on your mat. I like to use my ruler just to make sure that it's adhered nicely to the mat surface. I'm gonna fire my machine up. Okay friends, I just wanted to hop into Cricut Design Space really quick. As you can see, I'm on my canvas with my spa themed related images. And today I'm going to do a heart at peace gives life to the body on a little wine tumbler. So my wine tumbler size that works best when doing images is approximately 3 by 3. I'm going to unlock this and I'm going to do 3 inches wide to begin with, just to see I think I can even go just a like titch more than 3 inches. And just for you guys, let me zoom in on this so it's easier for you and me to see. Okay, and now I'm going to start arrowing just the height. Okay, so I have my computer plugged into my Cricut Maker machine and I'm going to make my project. I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And I forgot to hide my other images, so it's wanting to print everything. I forgot. Okay, so I'm going to go hide all my other images and I'll meet you back in just a sec. Okay, I think I have everything hidden now. Let me scroll up. Yeah, I don't see anything else. I have it sized to the size that I want, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Make It. This is not necessary to mirror. As a matter of fact, if you do mirror it, it's going to be backwards, so no need to mirror. I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. And I'm going to click Premium Vinyl. And I'm going to go to my machine and click the Feed button. And now you're going to hit that cute little cut button with the little cute little Cricut symbol. Who collects cuties? I don't have any, and I think they're adorable. So pretty. Okay, it's done cutting. I'm gonna unload it from my Maker machine. And then one tip that maybe you've seen, it's nice to throw your mat face side down to peel your image off easier. Just a little quick hack tip. Okay, I'm gonna go weed my project and then I'll meet you back. Being proactive with our posture when we are crafting is really important, and I've created a little ergonomic video for crafters. I'm gonna try to throw a link up above and down in my description for you to check that out. Okay, I've got these top couple words weeded, and I'm gonna actually cut so that my material, all this sticky, I don't have to keep holding it down and worrying about it flipping back and grabbing onto these letters above. So there's another little kind of hack to help you, whether you're a beginner or you've been doing this for a while, just throwing out little things that help me. Oh my gosh, I feel so good when I get done weeding a project. So here's what it looks like. A heart at peace gives life to the body. I'm so excited. We got to grab our transfer sheet, and then I'm going to put it on the mug or the tumbler. So I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol to clean this off. And I'm actually just using one of those little fabric squares that come in the Infusible ink packs. And because I sprayed alcohol on this, I'm gonna set this little one over here so I don't get it mixed up with the ones that don't have alcohol on it. So while that's just kind of air drying, I'm gonna grab my transfer sheet. I had a little blip, and for some reason I accidentally didn't hit the record button while I was doing this part. So to adhere my project, I placed it between these two Infusible ink little mini boxes. To apply my design, I used the guides that are in the lines of the transfer sheet. I lined up my transfer sheet because I had placed it underneath one of the words nicely, so it was nice and straight, and I could kind of use this as a ruler and a guide. I like to fold it in the middle and place it down and eyeball it, and then fan out one side, kind of working with your fingers to kind of rub those letters on there, and then fan the other side as you just kind of slowly fan those fan those letters onto your project. So that's just the way that I go about it, and I have my project all ready. I just wanted to give a couple little hacks and tips that when you're putting your project on, you want to use your fingers as much as you possibly can before using the scraper tool. Especially when you're working with fine little letters, that scraper tool can be the demise of your project instead of being a benefit. So you want to make sure that you've done the depressing and pressing down of your lettering with your fingers, where you can really feel and kind of move it along, not pull, and get some of the bubbles out and whatnot too before using your scraper tool. And then you want to go over it, making sure that it's nice and adhered to your project, And then as always, you want to make sure that you let it sit and kind of cure and really adhere to your project for at least 24 to 48 hours before gifting it to someone. A lot of times once we gift, they want to use it right away and you don't want to have to tell them no. I have it all done and I love it. I love this like grain in it. It makes it look professional, I think. So I'm just gonna kind of hold up to camera and hopefully you can see, obviously the lighting in my room here and whatever's on your screen is not gonna be perfect, but hopefully you'll see how beautiful that looks. Thanks for joining me for another project, part of our spa gift basket series. Make sure that you click subscribe so you can keep following along our videos, and then leading up to the video where I'll put the whole gift basket together with all the items that we've created that are kind of a spa theme, something that you can do for anyone in your life that just needs a little pick-me-up. Thanks for joining me.